Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. See, beta, this is very important topic, and I want you to learn these reactions with the class only. Don't postpone it to the next day, otherwise you won't be able to understand. So, the first reaction is reaction with oxygen. First of all, we should know about the basic nature. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides, and these metal oxides are basic in nature. Now we will do this activity 3 to prove this, that when metals react with oxygen they form basic oxides. Now what we will do, we have to take a small piece of magnesium ribbon. We have to clean its surface by rubbing the sandpaper. Now what we will do, we will use the pair of tongs to hold this ribbon, and we will allow this magnesium ribbon to burn till it catches fire. Now what happens? Put this magnesium oxide powder in a boiling tube and a little water and shake it. Now we will add some red litmus solution to the boiling tube, and we will see the color change. See beta, this is the magnesium ribbon, this is the Bunsen burner, and this is the burning. When we get the ash over here, we will add this boiling tube, and magnesium oxide dissolves in water to form magnesium hydroxide. This is the observation that we have done. So we will see the observation. When magnesium metal burns in air, see beta, magnesium, that is Mg, it is burned in air, means in presence of oxygen. They gives magnesium oxide. Okay, this is white powdery substance that we obtained. When we obtained a white powdery substance here, we will add this to this tube. Now magnesium oxide dissolves in water partially to form magnesium hydroxide solution. Now we will see this reaction, that this magnesium oxide plus water form magnesium hydroxide. So the magnesium hydroxide turns red litmus solution blue, showing that it is a base. Thus magnesium oxide is basic in nature. So metal reacts with oxygen to form basic oxides. Now moving on to the next example. If we will take about sodium, so sodium metal, we write Na for sodium and oxygen O2, they form sodium oxide, that is Na2O. Okay, so this is basic in nature. Okay, and sodium metal is stored in kerosene because it catches fire on reacting with air, means at room temperature it catches fire, so it is stored in kerosene. Now the next example is zinc. Zinc metal burns in air only on strong heating. Now when zinc is Zn, zinc plus oxygen, they gives zinc oxide. This is also basic in nature. So what we have studied till now, that when metal reacts with oxygen, they form oxides which are basic in nature. Similarly, when metal like golds are highly unreactive, they do not react with air, water vapor and any other gas. This is the reason that gold ornaments look new even after several years of use. So this is about the reaction of metal with oxygen. Now we will discuss in the next video that how non-metals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides. Thank you.